Previously in DraftSight, you had to select a dimension and then select on the dimension's handle to move it. Numerous steps were required to perform a simple operation. You can now quickly move any dimension by simply clicking and dragging. To move a dimension, left-click anywhere on it. Hold down the mouse button and drag the dimension to the desired position. This applies to all dimension types. In a drawing, you often have to manually align dimensions to get the drawing to look aesthetically pleasing and legible. This can require a lot of work, and accordingly, an easier method was requested as an enhancement by many DraftSight users. We introduce a new feature called the Dimension Bounding Box to make managing dimensions a lot easier. First, we need to create a dimension bounding box. To do this, select your entities. Next, right-click and select Dimension Bounding Box. Finally, click on Create. Next, we need to insert some dimensions. If I insert a smart dimension on this line, a new icon appears. If I click on the yellow half, the dimension moves to the top of the bounding box. If I select the blue half, it goes to the bottom. If I insert another dimension, the previous dimension automatically adjusts its position to allow for the new dimension. If I select an arc or circle, I get an icon with 4 different quadrants. The location of the dimension depends on which quadrant I select. As you can see, the new Dimension Bounding Box makes the placement of dimensions in DraftSight a quick and simple task. To learn more about DraftSight and how to get a free 30-day trial of DraftSight Professional, visit DraftSight.com/professional.